how to update any graphic cards in Windows. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So let us get started. First of all, search for control panel on your device. After you search for it, you will see an option called device manager. You can directly search for device manager too. After you find it, simply open it up. Now there you should see your graphic cards. Now here under display adapters, you will find your graphic cards. Now simply double tap on it and you will see its general, driver, details, events, and resources. Go to driver and there you will see update driver option. Tap on update driver and there are two options for it. First, you'll have to automatically search for drivers. Second is browse for your drivers on your computer. Now we'll try to search it automatically. So tap on it and it will start searching for it. Now, as you can see right here, the best device driver is already installed, so there is no need for an update. Now, if you do want to find any updated drivers on your Windows update, you can tap on that too, and it will start searching for it. And yeah, now you can update your Windows version and update your drivers version too. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.